finding the right gym that you're comfortable with is really important. Sometimes going to the gym is hard enough already, so you don't need an excuse like joining a gym you don't like. So you need to do your research, and this is what you need to do to make sure that it's right. So first of all, there are different types of gyms. Obviously you have specialist gyms, gyms that are specifically for bodybuilders, gyms that are specifically for martial arts training. If you're a new starter, they're probably not going to be suitable for you. You just need to find a regular everyday gym. In the UK, that will be gyms such as Pure Gym. Now, what you need to do first is book a free taster if you can. That way you can get inside the gym and you can feel the vibe, you can feel the atmosphere. Different gyms have different atmospheres, and you may connect with the gym better than others. Some you may feel more comfortable than others. Some gyms have been newly refurbished and they have a fresher vibe. Other gyms are slightly older, a bit more worn. You have to find something that you're comfortable with, something that you like. Another thing that you need to do, particularly on a taster session, is have a look at the hygiene. In particular, what do the toilet facilities look like? What do the shower facilities look like? There is nothing worse than signing a contract for a gym. On your first day, you go in to use the toilet and it stinks, or it clearly hasn't been cleaned in ages. Like, it's just not nice, okay? It's really disappointing. So make sure you have a look around. Is it hygienic? Is it clean? Does it smell fresh? Okay. Another thing is gym classes. So don't underestimate the value of gym classes, especially if you're a new starter. So do they have gym classes that you like, gym classes that you would attend? So for example, if you are older in life and you're looking to stay active in retirement, if the only gym classes are high intensity classes or high rocks, you may not be interested in that. You may want to be going to a gym that offers chair yoga, for example. So you need to choose a gym that offers the right classes for you if you'd like to go to classes. In addition to that, the equipment. If you know already there is a particular type of equipment that you want, not all gyms stock every type of equipment, so you need to make sure that it has the equipment that you want. In addition to that, there are different types of gyms in different locations. Some of them are busier than others. So no one likes overcrowding. No one likes to have to wait for a machine. So if you are at a really, really busy gym and you're always having to wait, that can be something that can really put you off going to the gym. So try and find out, is this a really busy gym? Is it likely I'm going to have to wait every time for a machine? Or is this a slightly quieter gym and chances are I'm going to be able to get straight onto a machine when I want to use it? You need to eliminate essentially all potential obstacles that are going to, I guess, make you think, nah, forget it, I'm not going to go to the gym today. Things such as like the location. How easy is it to get there? So if you're going to be going to the gym in rush hour, is the only way to get to the gym, is that going to be just a ridiculous journey? Is it going to take you an hour and a half to get to a gym because it's on a particular busy road? Or is there another gym in this direction that's going to be less traffic and easier for me to get to at the times that I want to get there? For example, things such as parking. So is there free parking? Is there parking facilities right outside the gym? Because if you've just done a workout and then you're having to walk a significant distance and you've just done a leg workout, you may not be comfortable with that. Free parking is a thing as well. Can you park for free? No one likes to pay for parking, so have a look at that. Also the opening times as well. You have some gyms that are 24/7, you can go at any time. Some gyms are only open from, let's say, 7 in the morning till 8 o'clock at night. Do those hours work for you? Some gyms just offer a regular monthly contract that you can cancel at any time. Some only do a 12-month contract where you're tied in for those 12 months. Some of them do joining fees, some of them don't. Some gyms have special offers. So for example, Black Friday deals, they might have 0 joining fees, you know? Do your research on your different prices, because if you join a gym and you're tied in for 12 months, the gym might be great at first, but 6 months down the line, they might have a change in management, or something might happen where the standard starts to go down, and then you're going to be really unhappy if you're tied in for another 6 months. So yeah, just have a little think about the different types of contracts. All in all, the gym needs to be right for you. Oh, exit fees as well, forgot about that. Be careful with exit fees. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions before you sign up. So a gym, really choosing the right gym, you need to make sure that you're eliminating all of the barriers, or as many barriers as you can in terms of how clean it is. Are you comfortable in the gym? Is it easily accessible? The price. Do your research first before you sign up. Once you've gone through all of that and you're comfortable, that's when you sign up. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you've had any experiences when joining gyms or leaving gyms, please add that into the comment section, because that might help someone else and help inform them on their decision on which gyms they should join and things to look out for. So share the information. We are a big community. We look after each other. Let's help each other. Thanks so much.